Hi, this is your video introduction to the communication kit that you just checked out from the iTech Center at Parents Helping Parents. The communication kit includes this handy communication kit guideline with implementation ideas and the names of the tools that you can use and the goals that you can use them for. I will show you the tools that are in here. This is the jelly bean switch. It attaches to this adapted firefly toy, primarily to teach cause and effect. So you hook it up, and your child can press this button, and music plays, and when the music is over, they can hit it again and again to hear more music. The next thing here is the talking Cymbals button that can record one message, such as, I want a hug.
I need a hug.
This is a step-by-step communicator with 4 sequential messages recorded into it. You can change them to fit your family. The on, off, and volume switch is here in the back. This is a GoTalk 4. It has 2 sets of pictures, level 1, and then under it, level 2. The voices on the levels match the levels here, so you have to get the light to go on that matches the sheet. On-off button and recording instructions on the back in case you decide to customize it for your child. This is a pull-off choice board, so all the pictures on it come off. You can use this to help your child make choices or combine 2 words into phrases. As you start your child with making choices, you want to take most of the pictures off and so on, and leave maybe 3 or 4 and spread them out evenly. Something like that. The folder frame is useful for somebody who can't reliably move their hands, but they can move their eyes or their head to look in one of these corners. So you can put these same picture choices in these corners. For example, like this, and ask the child to look or point their chin in the direction of the choice that they want. Here, here, or here. And you can follow their eyes or follow their head to see which choice they're making. And last but not least is the pointing board. It has I want and I don't want and a couple of choices. You can use this to help children make choices by pointing and to combine 2 words into a phrase. I want blocks. I guess that makes 3 words, but I want blocks. I don't want computer. These are the tools in your introductory communication toolkit. They're just the beginnings of a wide range of assistive technology that's available for communication. So please explore the tools and the guidelines, and with any further questions or for follow-up, definitely give us a call or send us an email at the iTech Center. Good luck.